Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see in detail how you can actually apply the BCG matrix on a real company-based scenario. So we are going to see initially what is meant by the BCG matrix, why we use it, and in the second phase of this video, we are going to apply the BCG matrix on the Nike's portfolio. So the BCG matrix actually evaluates where companies should invest, grow, and divest. And this presentation will actually start with the basic idea about the what is meant by the BCG matrix. So the main purpose of this matrix is to evaluate the business units for strategic investment decisions. And in fact, it started in 1970s and it is developed by the Boston Consulting Group. The core concept in this BCG matrix is to classify business units by taking two dimensions. The first one is called the growth, market growth, and the second is the relative market share. So these two dimensions are taken, and we come up with the BCG matrix that we are going to explore. There are two systems that we need to understand before we apply the BCG matrix. The first control system that is called the diagnostic control. These systems are deployed in the organizations in order to identify or evaluate the current positioning of the products and services in terms of revenue, profitability, and growth. So at that stage, the companies applied various frameworks. For instance, in this case, we are going to apply the BCG framework that will actually help us to diagnose the current positioning of the complete portfolio of a business. And obviously, through this diagnostic process, we will be able to understand what are the strategic decisions that we need to take in order to invest our resources towards those opportunities. So, in fact, these diagnostic controls are actually giving the input to the interactive control systems that are about innovation and learning towards the new opportunities. Okay, here you can see the BCG matrix. So there are two dimensions over which we actually draw these four quadrants. The first dimension is called industry sales growth rate that you can see its position on the vertical side, and on the horizontal side, the other dimension that is the relative market share. So these two dimensions are important when it comes to the evaluation of the uh, product portfolio. So you can see that if if a product attain high side of the both dimension, it will fall under the star products. And here you can see that the proposed strategies which this matrix suggests uh, include backward integration, forward integration, horizontal integration, market penetration, market development, and product development. So in case if a product or service falls under the low side of this matrix, it is actually fall in this quadrant, which is the dog. Here you have to make certain strategic decisions, including divestiture, liquidation, or retrenchment. The model suggests these products are called dog, which means that these products are not giving us more revenue. So we can actually liquidate these businesses and save our cash and invest those resources towards those products and services which are more profitable. Okay, now let's apply the BCG metric uh, on this company. So here we are taking the Nike case, and so before I give the input to this online BCG matrix analyzer, I just want to show you how this tool will be working. So what you have to do is you have to actually on your left side, you can see you have to enter the name of the products or the product line on which you want to analyze. Here you can see you have to give the input of the revenue, the profits, and the relative market share, which is from 0 to 1. So the second dimension is the industry growth rate. Here you have to actually uh, give the certain value in order to run the analysis. So once you press this button, of the portfolio of the product will be entered, and this will be goes down to this table that you can see. So I have just given one input into this matrix. So you can see that the running shoe, the first product line, where the revenue you can see that the 7 million, and this automatically the profit figure that you have to enter. I'll just show you how you where you are going to get these values and the market share and the growth rate. So once you enter these uh, data points uh, in this table, and you can see once you put all the those values, so here the automatically you will get the position in a relevant quadrant. Okay, now you can see that this is the case that we are going to use the Nike case in order to design the BCG metric. So this table shows you that we are taking three product lines, the running shoes, Air Jordan, and Nike sportswear. And each product line has given the related revenues, the profitability, and relative market share and industry growth. And you know that we need all these information for BCG matrix. So we will take all these data points into R, which is your BCG matrix. So once you will be entering all these data points, the automatically we will get the BCG matrix with the relative positions of the each product line. So let's start. All right. So first product line is the running shoe, and we have already giving input of this product line. So we have to enter the data of the second product line, which is the Air Jordan. So just we are taking these values that we can see that which is 6 million. Just take the copy and paste here. The second is the profits. Just copy and paste, and it has 6% market share that you can see. So just change the value, that is 0.60. So again, the 6% means that it will goes down to 0.06, and just see the industry growth rate, which is 3.2. So just go there, and we are making it approximately 4%. So just add this data point as well, so you can see they automatically the pie uh, of this relative product will be appeared automatically in the BCG metric. And you can see here as well the data is automatically entered in this table. So we have left with the one last product, that is the Nike sportswear. Just copy and paste the label of the product, take the profit, the revenue, sorry, and then the profit figure, market share is 52%. So just change the bars, and industry growth rate is 2%, which is okay. Now just add the division. So finally, we have come up with this table, and you can see that the quadrants uh, in which these three products are falling is mentioned in the last column. So the first product followed as a star product. The second one is Air Jordan is a question mark, and Nike Sportswear is also coming under the star product. So you can get the idea how you can actually draw the BCG matrix.